Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video we want to speak about the Docker and the container of Docker. The previous videos we speak about the Docker image and learn about what is the Docker image is, and in this video I will try to explain what the container is for Docker. The container, if you like the previous video, the image is like the ISO where you can install an image on the VM. Then the container of Docker is like the VM. So when you spin up an image, it will call a container. So let's try to demonstrate this. To say Docker and container run. I will prefix this with the name and call it nginx test. I will use on the port 8080 and it's 80. The port number, the first you want to say it's what's the port from the outcome, like from my machine to the container. It should be 8080. And what is the port number here on the container is 80 because nginx listened on port 80. And I want to say when I go for localhost 8080, I want to hit this container. And you can say D if you want to run it like a daemon, but I don't want, so I just want to say the image nginx. And I don't have this image properly, so I just want to download it. So that's meaning if you try to run a container without the image exist, then we want to download the image first, and then we're going for to spin it up. Now we can go in here to localhost and say 8080, and we have welcome to nginx. If I'm going back for the terminal and kill it, you can see the request inside here. If I kill it, Control C, then it should not work anymore. It's due. So let's say Docker container and see the process. You can see it's up and running here. If you run to stop a container, you can basically just say container stop and then the nginx test. Then we have stopping the container. You can see we don't have any request anymore. If I'm starting it again, you can say start the container, and it should be up and running here, and you can see already it's responded. So that's how you can starting the container, and how you can stop it, and how you can start it. If you see my container here, PSA, it's how you can list all the containers out. If we need to remove a container, you need to be sure it stops, so let's try to stop it again. Docker container stop nginx text, and then we want to say Docker container ps -a, and now you can see the status here is exited. So let's try to remove the container. Docker container rm, and like the images we can just say the two first character or the first character because we don't have images for this right now, but I love to use two. And let's going up and see the containers again, and it's removed. And that's how the container works. It's pretty easy and it's very simple to understand when you first understand. It took me a little while to understand, so I try to cook it down a very concentrate so I can teach you a fast way to understand what is the container. I hope you understand. If you have any feedback, please make the comments below in the comments field. I hope you want to subscribe my channel to get one of my subscribers. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can go down in the right corner and press on the thing below, and of course give it a like, and I hope to see you next time, and thank you for subscription. See you, bye.